Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you some ideas how you can decorate eggs in your house for Easter. And if you're confined at home with your children or you work from home, then this is a great idea how you can relax, how you can change your mind and also entertain children. I think that children are very creative, they love to create new things, and if you give them a project that feels very empowered because they're creating something themselves. This year I chose some do-it-yourself projects which were more difficult than last year because a year makes a difference. Now she's 4 years old. If you like the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. We start by choosing the eggs. We chose white eggs because they're better if you want to color them. In order to color the eggs, you will need vinegar and hot water, and the color you can buy in a grocery store. Usually around Easter they have them. Now we were coloring eggs that were blown out, so they were not very heavy, but it still worked well for these colors, which are not natural colors, but they're stronger than natural colors, so it didn't matter that they were not as heavy as the eggs that you boil. And the first method is decorating with stickers. These are stickers that we bought also in a grocery store. There was a stand with stuff for Easter, and Chloe Sophia chose the stickers that she liked, and it was something really easy to do. This method is my mom's favorite. You need an old stocking, eggs, and some herbs or plants that you find in your garden. It's very easy, kids love to do that. And next time I will use hard-boiled eggs because they're heavier, and I think the pattern is more visible because they can stay in water longer, while this one, since it was blown out, it was floating, so it didn't work out the way I wanted, but Chloe Sophia liked it anyway. So here you can see a little bit the pattern, and normally it should be much more visible. I wanted to try natural coloring. That's something that is very popular in the Czech Republic as well. You can use herbs, you can use spices, even coffee. This time I wanted to try onion skins and red beet. The onion skins, you can use red or brown onion, it's up to you. And it works beautifully, especially the onions. You will see the color is very strong and natural. It's really beautiful. I must say this is my most favorite color that we did this year. This is the red beet. Some people use only the skin, but I used also the whole red beet, and for some reason it didn't work. Also, it didn't work very well, although people, when I show them the photos, they really like it. They say that the color is beautiful, but it's very, very light, and I hope that it would be much stronger, the pink. And these are hard-boiled eggs, so for the natural coloring I used hard-boiled eggs. What I wanted to try this year was decorating with hot wax. That's something very popular in Slavic countries. We use wax pencils that are not toxic, and this is a method that I found online. It's actually very simple when you learn how to do it, and you just need to train on several eggs and then you'll become a pro. And as you can see, Chloe Sophia had a great time. She really enjoyed doing it. And we used different colors. For example, this egg was colored in the beet, so it's a natural pink. I felt that red would be very nice and soft, and it would be like a tone in tone, and there would not be such a huge difference, and I really like it. I think this is my favorite egg. But it looks very easy now, it looks very simple. This is like the fourth egg that I did, so then I became more skilled. These are hard-boiled eggs, and since I didn't put them in the fridge, they're not edible now. So we have them at home. They don't smell yet, but they may start smelling soon. Normally you color and decorate the eggs during Easter weekend, and if you put them in the fridge, you can eat them even in 1 week. But if you don't put them in the fridge and you don't eat them within several hours, then it's not recommended to eat them afterwards. I wanted to create like a little stand for the eggs, and I like origami, so I found on Pinterest a little paper stand that you can make yourself. I hope you found this video inspiring. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, click like, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next week.